I'm going for a walk down by the lake. Please enjoy my stories or whatever else might be on my mind today. The mountains are really green this time of year. It rained hard again last night. These are the mountains on the north shore of Lake Chapala in Jalisco, Mexico. The base elevation here is about 5,200 feet. The mountains there are 7,000 to 8,000 feet tall. That's the city of Chapala down there. The lake goes that way for about 50 kilometers. The south shore, it's about 8 kilometers across here. Right over there is Mount Garcia. It's 9,000 feet. Lake Chapala, Jalisco, Mexico. That is a boat-tailed grackle walking along the shore there. Over here is a killdeer, most easily recognized by the sound. I don't know if you could hear it. There is a great egret sitting in the tree. He has really got his neck stretched out, looking at me. Camera gets shaky when I've got it zoomed. Oh crap. I'm watching the bird and I'm walking in the water. Maybe not. Oh, yep. So that guy up there in the tree is the one that we were looking at first. And then he ran this guy over here out of the tree. And this guy over here, he's got a fish in his mouth. You probably can't see it. It's a tiny little fish like a minnow. They call them chorales here. And these guys up here are just regular egrets, not great egrets. And that little guy there is a kiskadee. It's the kind that takes a bath in my pool at 4:30 every day. I call them kiskadees because that's what they sound like when they talk. This is a very interesting track to me. That one right there is obviously a dog track. But then look at the relative size of this one. It's like that dog would have to be 6 foot tall standing on all fours to have a foot that big. And you know, this might be smashed out by the mud, but it's huge. There's that one, that one, that one. Mountain lion. It doesn't look like a dog track. It looks like a mountain lion track. And if you think that's far-fetched, we had a mountain lion here a few months ago. Killed 10 sheep in front of our yard. 2 different times, killed 4 one time and 6 the next. Several of them were small lambs, but one of the full-grown ones was half-eaten. And they were all killed by bites to the neck. Not like a dog. A dog gets him in the leg. Looking for more tracks. We need a sandy place. See here, this is a huge dog track, and it's half the size of that other track. Oh, look at this. Maybe I'm going to catch a fish. I did. It's a grass fish. Okay, here's what I was looking for. These tracks right here, those don't look like dog tracks. Those look like deer tracks. And we have deer around here. I've never seen one, but up there in the mountains, supposedly there are deer. And that looks like a deer track to me. These look like tracks from the most dangerous thing in the world. People. This is Lirio, water hyacinth, and it's a real hazard in a lot of freshwater lakes. This here is castor beans, which are very poisonous. Here's a freshwater clamshell. Here's a guy fishing. He's just throwing a net out there. ¿Está bien un video?
Sí, está bien.
Nada.
Nada.
Oh, one little small one he dumped out. Let's go see if they got some in the bucket. Look at them.
La viste. Mira.
Oh, es tilapia.
Pescado.
¿Sí? ¿Otra vez?
Pescado.
Pescado, sí, pero el marca es tilapia.
Ajá.
Freshwater tilapia. Oh, there's a goat. Maybe that's my deer. Bet you it is. Two little goats. How cute are you guys, huh? Hello. Hello. You're not gonna butt my camera, are you? And who's your buddy here? And these are my good sandals before I leave the lake to wash. There's some more info about that mountain lion. You can see this fence here. It's well, it must be 5 foot high, and that's the one sheep that his back legs healed up, but he was pretty much torn up. And 10 of his relatives are gone. Anyway, this fence goes all the way around here. There's no way to get in there. Whatever went in there had to jump the 5 foot fence, both in and out. There's one of the neighbors coming over to say hi. Well, maybe not. My van, my remote, my gate. Mi casa. So we're still hearing the squish. And this is how we really clean our sandals. There's enough chlorine in the pool to take care of this. And that first one down by the lake was just a rinse. And we leave them in the sunshine. The outside temperature today is 72 degrees, but the temperature of the sidewalk is a little hot for me to stand on. It's can't see that. It's 124 degrees, so they'll dry out pretty fast. 131 degrees, 134. In the pool, I gotta go over here and stand in the shade. The pool is 81. Not in the sun, it's 82 on the stones. 79 on the floor in the house, 80. '79 on the wall.